Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the product. Today we're looking at NordPass, a password manager from the cybersecurity experts at NordVPN. Their website, found at nordpass.com, is our starting point. It's a sleek and modern design that immediately communicates a sense of security and professionalism. Navigating the site is intuitive, with clear calls to action prompting you to download the app or explore its various features. NordPass emphasizes its key strengths: robust encryption, cross-device compatibility, and ease of use. They highlight their use of XCHACHA20 encryption, a cutting-edge algorithm designed for superior security. Beyond just storing passwords, NordPass offers secure storage for credit card details and personal notes, consolidating your sensitive information in one easily accessible yet heavily protected vault. The website also showcases the different plans available, ranging from a free version to premium subscriptions that unlock additional features like secure sharing and data breach scanning. They even offer a business solution for organizations looking to enhance their security posture. NordPass clearly articulates its value proposition by emphasizing the peace of mind that comes with knowing your digital life is safeguarded. They underscore the convenience of having all your passwords at your fingertips, eliminating the need to remember complex and varied login credentials. Overall, the NordPass website provides a comprehensive overview of their password manager, leaving you with a strong impression of its capabilities and the benefits it offers. They effectively convey their commitment to security, simplicity, and user-friendliness, making a compelling case for choosing NordPass as your trusted password management solution. Exploring the website, you'll find detailed information on their security practices, including their zero-knowledge architecture, which ensures that even NordPass themselves cannot access your encrypted data. This reinforces their dedication to user privacy and data protection.